Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add or remove the beard in Picsart. So let's go ahead and open Picsart.com and log in to your account. Now hit the new project and click on Create Canvas. What you need to do now is import some images. So go to Uploads and then click Upload. Now import the person and the beard which you want to add and hit the open. Now you can drag it and drop it over here, and let's also drag the beard and keep it here. Now what you need to do is adjust the beard and then align it with the facial structure of the person. After you do so, you can hit the export button and download the image. Click on Open File and you can see that the beard has been added to the person. You must note that the beard must be in PNG and the person or the people who you are editing must be in JPG format. And the person must be standing in a portrait position and the beard must also be in the straight portion for you to edit the picture. So this was a video on how you can add or remove beard in Picsart. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.